Here's how to create a GIF with ShareX. Open ShareX and go to Capture in the top menu, then select Screen Recording GIF. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-Print Screen to start instantly without opening the menu. Once triggered, your cursor will change. Click and drag to select the area of your screen you want to capture. As soon as you release the mouse button, the recording will begin. Perform whatever actions you want captured in that area. When you are done, press the same hotkey again or click the ShareX icon in the system tray and select Stop Recording. ShareX will automatically compile and save your GIF. To find your GIF, go to the Screenshots folder on the left side of the ShareX window or navigate to Pictures, then the ShareX folder on your computer. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.